Hello, this is Sean. This next home I'm showing you is called the Mayo. The Mayo stands for Make It Your Own. So this is a single wide, and it is a big single wide. It is 18 by 76. This is the living room. This is the kitchen. Now the kitchen has an island. This is not always common to see in single wides. Nice size island here. And yes, the appliances do come with it. And these are our energy efficient windows. These are the ones that are designed to hold out a lot of the temperature and block the UV rays. And then also too, they flip over very easy to make them easy to clean. So great windows. I'm going to take you now to the primary bedroom. This is the primary bedroom. Primary bathroom. His and her sinks. His and her closets. Space. Nice big window to let in a lot of the sunlight. Save electricity. And then also bathtub stand-up shower. The thermostat for the air conditioning is also programmable, so you can program it, and that's also designed to save a lot on the electricity as well. Here is an extra room that is a flexible room. So you can have like a little office here, put a sofa, this can be a game room, however you want to do it. And then you still have two more rooms. Here is your second bedroom. The walk-in closet. Here's your laundry room. Here is your guest bathroom. The stand-up shower. And then here is your third bedroom with a stand-up closet. If you like this home or any of our other homes, give me a call. My name is Sean. Phone number here at Freedom Homes is 918-728-2277 and ask for Sean. Y si habla español. I look forward to seeing you. Have a great day. Bye-bye.